Are you looking for the best benchtop drill press for woodworking? In this video we will look at some of the best benchtop drill press for woodworking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ShopFox Benchtop Drill. After spending some time with the ShopFox Benchtop Drill, we found its range of speeds to be thoroughly beneficial. Switching between different types of wood and drill bit sizes, the ability to adjust the RPM allowed us to work with precision and care. A tangible sense of control became apparent as we tackled each project. Upon adjusting the head tilt and table swing, the possibilities of our projects expanded. Drilling at various angles without the need to reposition our workpiece constantly was a game changer. This feature demonstrated foresight in design, recognizing the intricate needs of woodworking. Despite its strengths, we noticed some components did not match the robustness we've seen in higher-end models. This didn't significantly affect performance but is something to consider for those who prioritize build quality. Additionally, putting the drill press together took more time than expected. Those with more experience might find assembly straightforward, but it may pose a challenge for beginners. The hardware meant to secure the drill press to its base left us wanting. During assembly, we opted to replace the provided bolts with sturdier ones from our workshop to ensure a secure and stable mount. Overall, the ShopFox Benchtop Drill came across as a capable machine for woodworkers who don't require a drill press for daily heavy use. Its versatility and speeds, head and table adjustments offer convenience for a myriad of projects. While it does have some downsides regarding some of its components and the assembly process, these are small concessions to make considering the price-to-performance ratio. At number 2. Jet JWDP-12 Drill Press. We've been putting the Jet JWDP-12 to good use, and its robust motor confidently handles a multitude of tasks, pushing through hard and softwoods alike without a hitch. Speed adjustments are a breeze, allowing us to match the pace with the job at hand effortlessly. The compact footprint also means it doesn't hog space, fitting well even when bench real estate is at a premium. The unit's solidity is unmatched in similar benchtop models, and the feeling of stability during operation instills confidence. The oversized knobs are a nice touch, providing comfort and better control when we're dialed in on precision work. The added convenience of the retractable roller extension has been quite handy for supporting longer workpieces. Our experience is not without nits to pick, though. For one, while the Jet JWDP-12 drill press is not the most expensive on the market, it may stretch the budget for hobbyists or those who only occasionally need such a tool. Furthermore, the laser and LED light are great features, but in brightly lit rooms or on darker materials, we've sometimes craved a bit more power from the light to see our work clearly. Despite these points, the overall performance of the Jet JWDP-12 makes it a valuable addition to our toolkit. At number 3. Bucktool Benchtop Drill Press. We found the Bucktool drill press to impressively handle a wide range of wood types. Its powerful motor effortlessly conquers even the more resistant materials we've tackled. With variable speed settings, adjusting to the task at hand was seamless, allowing for a refined finish. The worktable's flexibility caught our attention, being able to rotate and tilt for those challenging angles. With projects that demand precision drilling, the laser guide proved to be an indispensable ally, ensuring our drill bits hit the mark every time. We did notice the weight of the unit required a dedicated space in our workshop. Minor inconvenience aside, the sturdiness was reassuring. Moreover, while setting up the drill press, we found the instructions to be lacking. A clearer guide would have sped up the process. For woodworkers eager to invest in a tool that elevates their craft, the Bucktool drill press stands out as a robust, precise, and versatile ally. It's a powerhouse that, despite its few flaws, delivers on its promises. At number 4. 12-inch Drill Press. Having spent some time with the WEN 12-inch drill press, we're quite impressed with the smooth operation and how it handles different materials. The ability to tweak the speed on the fly without changing belts is a time saver, making transitions between tasks almost seamless. The laser guide is a true asset. It adds precision to every drill, minimizing errors and wasted material. The build is sturdy, which enhances the tool's reliability, but this also means it takes up a fair amount of space. It fits best in a dedicated spot in the workshop rather than being something you'd want to tuck away after each use. We've found the included light is a boon for visibility. It illuminates the work area without the need for additional lamps. While putting it together, we appreciated the straightforward instructions, though assembling it is definitely a bit of an endeavor. Make sure to allocate the proper time and space to set it up. We noticed the machine's 85 pounds of heft make it less portable, but once it's set up, the robust construction pays dividends in performance and stability. At number 5. BACHIN Mini Drill Stand. If you're on the lookout for a benchtop drill press that strikes a balance between power and precision for woodworking tasks, our recent experience with the BACHIN Mini Drill Stand suggests it's a strong candidate worth considering. Recently, we've had the opportunity to put the BACHIN Mini Drill Stand through its paces in our workshop. This machine really made an impression with its solid performance on a variety of woods. Its strong motor delivered enough torque to handle even denser materials, giving us a sense of reliability when we needed it the most. Despite its mini label, there's nothing small about the capabilities of this drill press. We were particularly pleased with its 6-speed gear adjustment, which allowed us to tailor the drilling speed to the task at hand. Whether we were working on delicate projects or plowing through thicker boards, we found a speed setting that fit the bill. Space in our workshop is at a premium, so the compact footprint of the BACHIN Mini Drill Stand was a bonus. It tucked nicely into a corner when not in use, freeing up valuable workbench space. Yet when it came to actual drilling, its performance was on par with bigger, bulkier models we've used in the past. All in all, we believe the BACHIN Mini Drill Stand is a well-rounded benchtop drill press that offers good value for most woodworking enthusiasts. It's straightforward to use and doesn't shy away from tough jobs, making it a worthy addition to any woodworker's tool collection. At number 6. Woodskil 8-inch Drill Press. When we took this benchtop drill press for a spin, the first thing we noticed was the hefty cast iron base and work table. It's a game changer for stability during operation, severely reducing any unwanted movement or vibration. The unit's overall construction relays a sense of endurance and reliability, which, for us, is non-negotiable for a woodworking tool. Operating the Woodskil 8-inch drill press feels intuitive. The mechanical 5-speed selection easily manages different workloads, from softwoods to denser hardwoods. We've drilled through pine as effortlessly as we've pierced through sturdier oak, without a hitch. The 45-degree beveling capacity of the table also adds significant versatility to our drilling projects, allowing us to tackle more complex angles with confidence. Our time with the Woodskil has been mostly positive, though it hasn't been without its challenges, particularly when it comes to fine-tuning. Adjusting the depth stop took a few tries to get just right, and we needed to exercise a bit of patience when centering the worktable with the drill bit. For pieces not easily secured by the table alone, devising a custom jig or clamping setup was necessary. Despite the minor gripes, the results speak for themselves. Every hole has been drilled with precision, and adjustments, while initially less than straightforward, have become second nature after several uses. The Woodskil 8-inch drill press is a robust tool that, based on our time with it, can elevate the quality of work in any woodworking enthusiast space. At number 7. 8-inch 5-speed drill press. Woodworking requires precise and reliable tools, so we recently laid hands on the WEN 8-inch 5-speed drill press. Its 2.3 amp motor tackled different materials, from softwoods to tougher hardwoods, with relative ease. There's something reassuring about a machine that doesn't shake or make a fuss when it powers through thick lumber. We loved the versatility of the 5-speed settings. Depending on the project, we ranged from slow-paced drilling for accuracy to high speed for quicker jobs without the machine breaking a sweat. Setting the belts to alter the speed felt intuitive, and once it's set, it's ready to roll. The table tilts 45 degrees both ways, which we found particularly handy for angled holes. It's not every day we need a feature like that, but when we do, it's a lifesaver. Adjusting the angle was straightforward, allowing us to be precise with our angled drilling, which is a must for complex joinery. We did notice, however, that the onboard key storage seems a bit of an afterthought. It works but doesn't feel as secure as the rest of the machine. Some fellow woodworkers have pointed out slight runout with their units, although it wasn't pronounced in our trials. Also, a word to the wise: when opening the top belt case, Treat it carefully to avoid any loose components. A quick inspection before use can prevent any surprises. Overall, for a benchtop model, the stability imparted by its design was reassuring. We just anchored it down to a workbench, and it was rock solid, no dance moves while working. The drilled results spoke for themselves, clean and consistent, just what we aim for in woodworking.